Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something you might have seen, eaten, and loved, but probably never realized the profound science behind it. The Indian Thali. What if I told you that this seemingly simple plate of food is actually a meticulously designed culinary system, a nutritional powerhouse, and a testament to ancient wisdom, particularly from Ayurveda? It's more than just a meal, it's a blueprint for holistic health. First, for those unfamiliar, a thali literally means plate. But in a culinary context, it refers to a complete meal served on a single platter, typically featuring a variety of small bowls, or Katoris, each holding a different dish. You'll find these all over India, with regional variations that are simply incredible. But the magic isn't just in the variety. It's in the careful selection and combination of these components. Let's start with the hard science, nutrition. A traditional thali is a masterclass in achieving complete macro and micronutrient balance in one go. Carbohydrates, your energy source. The roti, often made from whole grains like wheat, millet, or sorghum, and the rice, provide complex carbohydrates and essential fiber. These are slow-release energy, keeping you full and stable. Protein, crucial for muscle repair and growth. This primarily comes from the dal, those incredible lentil and pulse dishes. What's fascinating is the combination of grains and lentils. Together, they often form a complete protein profile, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs. In non-vegetarian thalis, you might find meat or fish adding to this. Vitamins, minerals, and fiber. This is where your sabzis, the vegetable dishes, shine. A well-rounded thali will feature 2 to 3 different vegetable preparations, ensuring a wide spectrum of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary fiber, essential for digestion and overall health. Think of it as your daily dose of nature's goodness. Healthy fats. Don't fear the fat. Ghee, clarified butter, or traditional cooking oils are vital for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, and for providing sustained energy. In Ayurveda, healthy fats are also considered crucial for lubricating the body and tissues. Probiotics, and for gut health. You'll almost always find curd, yogurt, raita, yogurt with veggies, or chas, buttermilk. These fermented foods introduce beneficial bacteria to your gut, aiding digestion and boosting immunity. Now this is where the thali truly transcends mere nutrition and becomes a work of ancient art and science. The principles of Ayurveda, specifically the Shad Rasa, or the 6 tastes. Ayurveda teaches that for optimal digestion, health, and balance of our body's 3 doshas, Vata, Pitta, Kapha, a meal should ideally incorporate all 6 tastes. Let's break them down. Sweet, Madura, found in your grains, rice, roti, milk, ghee, and any dessert. It's grounding, nourishing, and provides energy. Sour, Amla, from curd, lemon juice in your dole, or a tangy pickle. It stimulates appetite, aids digestion, and cleanses the body's channels. Salty, Lavana, the obvious one. Salt, in your sabzis, dal, and pickles. It enhances flavor, helps maintain electrolyte balance, and supports water retention. Pungent, Katu, the heat from chili, ginger, garlic, and many of the warming spices. It stimulates Agni, our digestive fire, cleanses the sinuses, and promotes circulation. Bitter, Tikta, often from leafy greens like fenugreek, methi, bitter gourd, or spices like turmeric. Bitter tastes are considered detoxifying, cleansing, and cooling for the body. Astringent, Kashaya, found in pulses like dal, raw vegetables, and some spices. It's often described as a dry, constricting sensation. Astringent tastes help to tone tissues and aid in healing. The genius here is that by having a little bit of each taste, the thali ensures not just physiological balance, but also a profound sense of satisfaction after the meal, preventing cravings and overeating. It's food as medicine, perfectly tailored for your body. Beyond macros, micros, and tastes, the Thali system offers several other benefits. Spices as medicine. Every spice used in Thali preparations, turmeric, cumin, coriander, ginger, garlic, isn't just for flavor. These are potent sources of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and digestive aids. Turmeric, for instance, is a known anti-inflammatory superstar. Portion control. The Katoris aren't just for aesthetics. They inherently encourage portion control. Each component is served in a manageable quantity, promoting mindful eating and preventing overconsumption of any single dish. Seasonal and local. Traditionally, the components of a thali were dictated by what was seasonal and locally available. This aligns with Ayurvedic principles, as eating what grows around you, in sync with the climate, is considered optimal for health. It's the ultimate farm-to-table experience. Variety and satisfaction. Imagine eating the same meal every day. Boring. The thali offers immense variety within a single meal, stimulating all your senses and providing deep satisfaction, which is a crucial part of holistic well-being. So, the next time you sit down to an Indian thali, whether it's at home, a restaurant, or an invitation to an Indian wedding, remember that you're not just enjoying delicious food. You're partaking in a culinary tradition steeped in ancient wisdom, designed for complete nutrition, digestive harmony, and overall well-being. It's a testament to how traditional cultures understood food as a holistic experience long before modern science caught up. Has this opened your eyes to the incredible science of the thali? Let me know in the comments below. What's your favorite part of a thali? If you enjoyed this deep dive, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more fascinating insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.